Just allowing ourselves to be fully present right here and right now for this time of meditation, for this time of stepping apart a while. There is no place to go, no thing to do. All life is right here in this moment. We take a deep inhale, allowing the crown of the head to go high, and on the exhale, the shoulders gently relax. Just notice what it feels like to let go, to fully let go into this moment and allow this moment to have you. Completely present in your wholeness, not trying to do anything, simply being. There is no place to go to get more God. All Godness is right here. All love is right here. Peace is right here. So we follow the inhale, and we follow the exhale as we dive into our inner landscape, allowing the body to become so still. A quiet mind follows a still body. So we simply allow ourselves this moment in time, knowing this is the one moment that always exists. We allow ourselves this moment so fully and completely, setting aside any concerns or thoughts. And just allowing divine love to flow so freely, so fully and so completely, from center to circumference, flowing love, breath by breath, moment to moment. We breathe into the silence. Breathing into this space. Bringing the fullness of attention to this now moment. By the power of this practice, may all beings have freedom from suffering and the causes of suffering. May all beings know God as love and themselves as emanations of this love. May all beings know the peace within that needs no cause. Namaste.